how to make these flowers that are used for gift wrapping purpose. So before I begin, I will cut a strand of the ribbon. This is not a material ribbon, not of cloth. So basically, once I have the strands ready, I will leave it aside, and then I will take about 5 to 6 rolls of the ribbon around my hand in this way. You can take more, but it will be too thick. Here I have taken a little more just to show you all the difference. So once I hold the middle together, the sides I will just bend it in this way. Then I will start cutting out the end like this. Basically a V shape, but I will leave a little gap in the center. I do not need to cut the center. There will be a thin gap in the center in this way. And once I'm done on one of the sides, I will do the same thing on the other side. Leave the hanging strand because I will show you what to do with it later. So there, once we cut this through, see, I've left a little bit. I will hold these cut portions in the center like this, and then that ribbon which I cut in the start, I will use them to tie. One of it is enough to tie. So longer the ribbon is also good because you will get to make longer curls. I'll show you what kind of curls. Secure the knot nicely, front side and back side, and then on the ribbon you can make these curls by pulling it with the scissor sharp end. I have shown a video on how you do this thing. I will attach the link in the description box. Now all you have to do is just pull out one of these strands that are there inside this and just twist it in different directions. So this will give a flower kind of look once you are done twisting it. And that's it. You will do the same process on both the sides. Simply just pull out one of the circles or one of the rings and just twist it and hold it on the other side. That's it. So that's it. Our gift wrap flower, which is usually accompanied once you gift wrap a box, is ready. That's how simple it is to make it, and this is how cute it looks. The ends that were loose, you can just cut it in this shape to give it a V look at the end. That's it. That's how your flower actually looks, final look of it. And if in case you all have less of ribbon, you all can just take 5 rounds. You all can make smaller ones also. They also look equally cute. If you found this useful, please do share it with others, and for more, do not forget to subscribe.